How to remove previously synced contacts on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove previously synced contacts on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, just click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings and privacy and click privacy and then synced contacts and Facebook friends, and here you will find remove previously synced contacts. Just click on it and then click remove. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.